have a quick question for you. Hey.
What's the question?
So the question is, I wanted to know if you could be so polite.
So polite?
So polite.
If I can be so polite?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Because I've lost my number and I just want to know if I can have yours. That's a good pickup line, right?
It is.
I know it is.
Want you to know you're a blessing, 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 blessing. Yeah, baby girl, you're a blessing, 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 blessing. Want you to know you're a blessing, 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 blessing.
So, I got.
Hang on, what's up?
That was funny. I got a quick question for you.
All right, what's up? Hold on, Mom.
Did it hurt?
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Oh my God, do not.
Oh, I have to.
Yes, it hurt when it fell from heaven.
Oh, I was wondering because you did look like an angel when I saw you walking. So
I'm recording right now.
I am. I have my own YouTube channel.
That is so cool.
Yeah, so I figured I'd say, well, I saw her walking. She looks cute. I'm a troller for just a second, just so I could get you a part of the channel, if that's okay.
Oh, no, that's fine.
I mean, you're beautiful, so I'm sure everybody in the comments will say, damn, she's hot. Damn, she's beautiful. I'm sure.
Can you talk to my mom?
I could. I can.
We're going to be on YouTube.
I can. Yeah, you can put her on speaker. It's fine.
All right, Mom, talk.
Hi.
Hey there, how you doing?
Hello, what's going on?
I'm doing all right. My name is Brandon, but they call me Moto6 Sanity on YouTube, so I wanted to say hello.
Okay, darling. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, and I just wanted to say your daughter is very beautiful. She is absolutely gorgeous.
Well, thank you. She
I'm-
takes after her mother.
I was just about to say that. I'm sure she takes after you.
Mom's hotter than I am.
She gets it from her mama, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not gonna hold you up. This is just a temporary spam card. I had some spam cards made, but I ran out, so that's just a couple other ones.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. All right.
Let's get it.
You wouldn't mind if I tell you something, would you? I'm not gonna hurt you. You wouldn't mind if I tell you something, would you? If you were a triangle, you would be a cute one.
Thank you.
I got a YouTube channel. They call me Moto6 Sanity. Yeah, so you know, I know you was kind of like scared at first. You was probably like, oh God, is he gonna hurt me? Is he gonna like kidnap me? It's like, oh God. I mean, I know it's kind of suspicious, you know, black guy, black motorcycle. You know, I'm just playing. I actually got a YouTube channel, so yeah, check me out whenever you want. You're gonna be on it later, so yeah, so you'll see yourself. You have a good one. You don't mind if I tell you something?
What?
You don't mind if I tell you something?
What?
You're mighty beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, before you go, I do want to tell you a very cheesy pickup line, okay? I need a Band-Aid.
You need a Band-Aid?
Yeah, I need a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Because I just fell for you.
Wow.
No, I know, it's corny, it's corny. I got a YouTube channel, so
Okay.
yeah, I'm just going around just making a whole bunch of people laugh and making their day. So
Okay.
let me give you one of my spam cards real quick if I can find one. I had them on me somewhere. Oh, there we go. If I can get it. I actually just gave out my last spam cards, but I had to make extras. So just check me out on YouTube. They call me Moto6 Sanity. And I guarantee you, I will make you laugh with a lot of my corniness and my hilariousness around campus.
Okay.
So you might even see some familiar people you know on my videos.
Okay.
All right, you have a good one, all right? You're welcome. You don't mind if I tell you something real quick?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
No, you're fine. If you were any fruit on the planet, you would be a fine apple.
What?
A fine apple.
A pineapple.
A fine apple.
Because of my hair?
Because you're so damn fine. Yeah, I know, right? That's a cheesy corn line, right?
You got me, man.
I know, right?
Come on, Nan, get on. Oh my God. Oh my God! I really ripped my dress!
ya?
I'm so comfy right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna stay. Why? Emily, shut up. I'm
I was blown away by your sexiness. Now all I have to do is catch up to you. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you.
Hey, did you sit on some sugar? Did you sit on some sugar? Cause that booty's sweet. What's your name? What's your name? Cynthia? You have a boyfriend? Huh? You do? How long have you had that problem? He doesn't care that you come to school looking like that, huh? No, like looking like that, like showing skin. You're not? Let me get your number. Why not? Why? You're faithful? You're faithful? Yeah? That's good. Take care.
Want to ride? Want to ride? No. What's that? Can we wear your helmet? Do you want the helmet? Yeah. Alright, sure.
Can you put this in your pocket? Thanks.
This is something fun to do. There's a lot of you people out here.
Yeah.
I actually caught someone on the camera last night. Nope.
Oh.
That one motorcycle before? Okay, then we're good.
Yeah. Are you ready? Emily. Yeah.
You do this every year?
Second year.
Second year?
Yeah. I'm gonna be a senior. Yeah. No, in high school.
I can explain.
Yeah, it's okay. This is fine.
Is this alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
No problem. You guys enjoy yourself?
Trade you for my phone.
That sounds good. Oh yeah. Can you hold that for a second? Enjoy yourselves. What's that? You want to ride? Yeah. Do you? Alright. You've never been on a motorcycle before? Up on the pegs right there. Nope, that's a muffler. There you go. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I won't fall over. Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
Emma.
Emma?
Don't fall over.
I'm not gonna fall over. You from around here?
Green Bay.
Green Bay?
Yeah.
You in college?
Huh?
What, you in college?
Well, just graduated.
College?
No.
High school? God damn. You make me feel old.
How old are you?
24. What's that? You're going to Milwaukee? That's a good school. You're not gonna fall. Just get off on the left side. Yeah, because then the muffler's not there. There you go. No problem. Left side, yep. There you go. Alright, well, it was nice to meet you.
Hey girl, are you a beaver? Are you a beaver?
Beaver? No, not today.
Cause damn. What's the number? Let me get them digits.
66666.
That's not kind of satanic or anything. All right, what are we doing? You riding with me to your car or what? Like what?
What are we doing? What's the plan?
Yo,
Oh my God. I don't care. I'm down for whatevs. You put your left leg on, and then put your right leg over, then you put your ass on the seat, and you... I never hopped on the back of anything. That's a lie. Let go. If we get hit in the parking lot, though, it's your fault. Daddy. Ham in the hair. Lunatic, goddamn, I'm a lunatic.